Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this 4 Petals Flower Ear Saver. Now let's get started. To make it, we need a medium weight yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. First, we need to make a slip knot. Then we will make a chain of 4. After having 4 chains, I will make a double crochet to the 4th chain from our hook. Then we will make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch to the loop. This is not a completed petal. We will finish it later. To make the second petal, I will make a chain of 3, make 2 double crochets to the loop, make a chain of 3 and then slip stitch to the loop. Repeat the pattern to make the 3rd petal. And then the 4th petal. After finishing the 4th petal, I will make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch to the 1st double crochet to finish the 1st petal. Our 1st flower is finished. To make the 2nd flower, I will make a chain of 7. And then I will make a double crochet to the 4th chain from the hook. And then make a chain of 3 and a slip stitch to the loop. To make the 2nd petal, I will make a chain of 3 and then a double crochet to the loop, a slip stitch to the 1st farthest chain, a chain of 3, a slip stitch to the loop to finish the 2nd petal. To make the 3rd petal, I will make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch to the previous flower, and then make 2 double crochets, a chain of 3, a slip stitch to the loop. To make the 4th petal, make a chain of 3, make 2 double crochets, a chain of 3, a slip stitch to the loop. And then we will make a chain of 3 and slip stitch to the first, double crochet to finish the second flower. Repeat the pattern as long as wishes. Here I have made a total of 5 flowers, and now I want to finish it, so I will fasten off. Weave in the ends. The final work is sewing the buttons to the ear saver. The 4 Petals Flower Ear Saver is finished. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!